One.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and I'm here to discuss about the history and equipment of volleyball. But first, I want to teach you how to use Screencastify or screen video recorder as we have using right now. First, open your Google account, Google application, and make sure that you have a Google account. First, search Screencastify extension file. Then click this and automatically go to the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, this small tab here. Just click Add to Chrome. After clicking and wait until download complete. So next. Okay, let's now proceed to our topic. Now, okay, what comes in your mind when you hear the word volleyball? Okay. Volleyball is a sport played by two teams on a playing court divided by a net. The object of the game is to send the ball over the net in order to ground it in the opponent's court. Volleyball is consists of two teams with six six players. The history of volleyball. Now, who invented the volleyball? When volleyball invented? So you can see this picture here. This is William J. Morgan. He is the PE director of YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. Volleyball is invented in 1995. Volleyball originally called Mintonel. That that's that was the first name of volleyball. Next, Halstead suggests that it be renamed volleyball in 1996. First national championship of volleyball is in 1992. In 1947, the Federation International de Volleyball was formed as international governing body. The first championship were held in 1959. Olympic adopt volleyball as an Olympic sports in 1964. Next, the equipments used in playing basketball. First, the playing court. This is the playing court, the playing area. The dimension of playing area is 18 meter from the end line. This is the end line and this. Divided by the center line, each half is 9 meter. This is the other half and this is the other half. The attack line is 3 meter. This is the attack line. Next, The width of the court is 9 meters from the end line to baseline. This is this part is the service zone, and this part is the free zone. Next, the net. The net is made up of mesh. The long of the net is 32 foot and the width of the net is 39 inches. If you can see this black and white stick, this this is the antennae, and two 2 inches canvas band at the top. This is the top. This is the one. Next, the ball. The circumference of the ball is 65 centimeter in circumference and 262 to 180 grams. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about me. Please, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.